Let's do unboxing for the SJCAM SJ6 Legend. This is the package retail without any wrap. So it's action cam, 2-inch touchscreen, 30 meters water resistant, 2 screen front and back, gyroscope, gyro stabilization, and 4K resolution cam high definition with a 24 frame per second. So this is the package. Inside the box included the camera, the waterproof case, 2 mounting type, one is the curve, one is the straight, 3 type of the bracket, and frame bracket, and this is the bicycle bracket, and also can mount in the rear view mirror. And this is another bracket, these 2 type. So I think there's a lot of YouTube doing unboxing. I just do a quick one, and this authentication of to prove your product is genuine, and also have this included, the single hand stick with the mounting. I think somehow standard. It's a quite big size to hold to make it easy to grip, I think, and including a lanyard strap for free, I think. Okay, and also the box. This box is for a protective case. Okay, so yeah, and so there's a sponge to put in the camera. Okay, just put in this one side first. And this is another tripod. This is okay. It's a 3-way monopod stand or tripod. Okay, this is how it look. This 3D stand, this one and this one. Oops, another screw. Okay. This is how to use. So this is a bit unique, because when you have what do you call this, monopod, you do a selfie stick. If you're straight, when you do this to take selfie or video, then you can see the arm holding the stick. But with this, you can just bend like this, so the camera is here, or the action cam is here. So with 90 degrees angle is better. The footage of the video will better. Okay. So this one, another screw to tighten the thing. Okay, what else this one can do? Oh, there's a hidden okay, that's a good thing. So I guess a tripod stand. stand like that. Okay, but I'm not sure what this button for. Oh, this is to lock, I think. Yeah, to lock. So this is when you hold the camera, they will not touch to the, unless you press this, then can go in like this. Okay, that's a nice features. I have quite a lot of tripod, many different type. And this is the Extremo Extreme Action Gear. This is for the strap on the body. I think it should cover also with the head. Oops, another mount, which is, I got a 3 now. Okay, there's a lanyard also. Lanyard. Okay, this mount is a bit curved. This is for the head mount. Oh, nice feeling. Really good. This is rubber. So this is rubber. The wave kind of pattern is a rubber to hold, I think, against to the forehead, so it will not slip off. So when you use this one, put it on the head like that, then this one, the camera attached to here. So it's like doing a construction site with the torchlight, but this one is a camera. Okay, nice build. And this is for the body, so the camera will slide in here. So you can stick out the camera in the belly or in the chest. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, let's open up put this side first and here. This is here. So far there's 3 of this. And okay, let's say SJCAM, I already mentioned about the outer box. So this is one second box is like this, white color, nothing else, and just this is the serial number. The sticker still here. And let's open up. Okay, this thing is actually gonna touch through. You can see it touching the thing. Then this one is the camera itself. So the camera is come with a nice quality build of the waterproof case. This is waterproof case, very quality. Okay, let's put it aside on the camera. So the accessories is quite plenty. Let's open the top first. So this is the bracket mounting. This is can turn 360 degree, and this one is a bit curved. This is for the helmet, and you slide in the camera like this way, slide in on the helmet. So like this one also, so can slide in here. Okay, everything is a standard, but the GoPro is very expensive. Could be 100% expensive compared to this one. And this one is the straight type, can turn 360 degree as well. And this is another mounting. This one fixed, cannot turn. One is the straight, one is the bit curve. And of course there's a power data or USB. This one is using a USB, mini USB. It's not using the micro USB. Because I think the chipset, the chipset of the camera itself is using a Novatec. The Novatec, all the devices using mini USB, yeah, mostly. And this is extra adhesive, and the cap, yeah, the cap for the lens, they give you extra for the cap. And okay, and got this one. This is for the bicycle or bike mounting. And there's a arm bracket, 1, 2, 3. Same like on the box. So these two actually is a bit different way of angle. One is like this, the other one is the other way around. So different way angle. Okay, and this one, the long one, only one type. And also this one also for can turn, and this one for mounting, another mounting for selfie stick. And this is the frame bracket to hold the camera. And also include the touchscreen of the touchscreen back door for the housing on the waterproof, because this one is not waterproof. This one is it's not touchscreen, but it's waterproof. And if you change this one, it also can touchscreen. So very kudos to the SJCAM. They can have this one, and it's quite heavy a bit. It's like a quality build. And to open this one, I think is doing this. So it's a bit difficult. Okay, you push down on this left button. Push on the left, and then push up to open. So we'll open from here to here. Then it's something like that. So this one need to open like that. Okay, this is the camera itself, so small. I choose the black color because black color, everything black, but other colors here still black. The button black, but the frame here is white color. And the feeling is on this camera is a rubber feel, soft rubber, got a soft finish rubber feeling. I believe this time to time will be very sticky. I'm not sure why they like to do this in the air. I have previously a J headset earpiece, also rubber feeling like this. 1 year plus, this rubber will tend to be sticky, very sticky, and it's very grippy, and it look like a lot of glue. So that is not good. And quick one. This is a speaker also with the microphone, and this is HDMI port. This is the mini USB, not micro USB, mini USB, facing this way. Okay, and bottom part is for the mounting screw. This is the battery access. And power here. Also there's a button for the setting, to access the settings. So this is the indicator light. They have a 3 reflection, 1, 2, 3 side, 1, 2, 3. No, 2 only, but indicate 3 of 3 side. So each of the side there's a reflection indicator. So this is the to record or pause the record or stop the record, and the lens, and the display here is a touch screen, and also there's a front indicator how many percent of the battery time date, including the card, and also the what do you call this, running time when you record, how many minutes, how many hours. So let's do a power one. By the way, it doesn't come with the SD card. I just put it in here, my own SD card. So I use this one for 16 GB high endurance. Just slot in. Okay.